everyone, so today we're going to be making aloo patty burgers. So the ingredients for aloo patty is 4 potatoes that I have mashed and boiled, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt as per taste. We are also going to be needing some boiled peas, some boiled corn, some chopped onion, some green chili, some grated carrot, and some cilantro, and 3 pieces of bread that I have chopped into very fine pieces. So let's get started, everyone. So now I'm going to be adding my bread in with the potatoes, like that. And we're going to be adding all of our spices. And we're basically going to be adding everything, but we're also going to be stirring and mixing occasionally. So adding our peas and keeping mixing our corn. Our onion. Our carrot. Our chili. And our cilantro. There we go. And now we're just going to mix everything all together. You can use a fork or a spoon to mix it. I'm using my hands right now. And basically you want to make the aloo, you want to put enough bread in the potatoes so that it's able to mold. You can test it out by molding something like that. It's good enough to mold. That means it's good enough to make our aloo patties. I had to add 1 more piece of bread and some rice flour to this mixture because it was sticking to me. The rice flour kind of helps add crispiness and bind the dough a bit more together. And you want it to bind at least so that it sticks together. Like, you can test a bit out. And if you're able to make like a ball and it's not like going apart when you're holding it, then it's good. But if you find it too sticky, you can always add some rice flour and some bread. Now that it's all mixed, I'm going to just make some patties. Not too big, but also not too small. And we want to kind of compress them so that they don't fall apart while we're cooking them. Like that, there's one patty. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry the patties we're going to deep fry them in some oil. And I will see you then. So I have made 4 aloo patties here, and I'm going to ask an adult to help me deep fry them in some oil. So I will see you when they're deep fried. Welcome back. So my patties are frying very nicely, and I will see you when they are fully fried. So as you can see, my patties are done, and now I am going to put the burger together. What you will need for this are burger buns, some tomato, some more onion, some ketchup, and some sauce. I'm using Thousand Islands, but you can use whichever sauces you want. You will also need some butter. So to make the burger, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some butter onto the bun, like that. And we're doing this because I'm going to just kind of roast them a bit so they get a bit crunchy on the pan. So we're going to put them face down on the pan like this. Like that. As you can see, my buns are roasting, and I will see you once they're done. So my buns are now done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my Thousand Island mayo in, and if you want to add any other sauces, this would be the time to add it. Spread it around. And I'm also going to be putting some ketchup. Like that. And I'm going to spread it around. You don't have to. And now we're going to put our patty. Kind of spread it like that. And you can also take a bit of another one if, like, as you can see here, there's a bit left. Just make sure you cover everything so you get the tikki, so you get the patty when you take a bite. We are going to be putting some tomato, like that, and some onion. And we are going to top this off like that. And there's our burger. Delicious burgers made homemade from scratch. So there it was, guys. Please subscribe and like this video and comment down below how it went for you. And see you next time. Bye.